gentlemen, this is ANZ Airport Terminal. If Houston is your final destination and if you have checked bags, please take a SkyTrain to Terminal B and pick up your bags at
Of course, you guys know I'm traveling with my High Spirit bag. Always the best travel bags in the game. I tried to switch out this High Spirit bag with my other one. I'll show a picture of the other one, but my brothers will not give them back to me, which is cool. I just wanted a little change up, but my brothers are obsessed with those. I'm gonna keep traveling with this one, which is good because it's a laptop bag, meaning it has space for my laptop. I've got so much crap in here. I've got a ton of masks. I've got my planner. I've got disinfectant wipes in here. Major key. Gotta wipe down the plane when you get in there. About High Spirit bags, if you guys haven't heard already, is there is a not always, but the anti-theft ones have a zipper in the back so you can put your valuables back here and nobody can pickpocket you. The other bag I have doesn't even have a front compartment. The only way you can access the bag is through the back. Love that one if like you're in like India, Paris, place where people do a lot of pickpocketing, Bangkok, New York City. But carrying this one today. They are sponsoring this video, but I love High Spirit and I'd be using it regardless. You guys can use my code MJ20 for 20% off your whole purchase if you're interested. They're great book bags. They look really chic. There's so many different styles as well. There's many different ones. So
cross check complete.
Yeah, it should.
Cross check complete.
you guys, I finally got my bag and I'm headed to my hotel. Dude is picking me up from the hotel. Huh?
I'm messing with you.
Oh.
That's the other thing you're following, but I saw you on the other flight earlier.
Oh,
Where
yeah.
you from?
New Jersey.
New Jersey?
Yeah.
I saw you come out of Ontario.
Yeah, I was coming from LA.
Oh, okay.
And
What's your name?
Maryjane.
Maryjane?
I'm so tired. I'm like, what's my name? Maryjane. What's your name?
Sorry, I don't want to hold you up. Terrell.
Terrell. Nice to
I
meet
just
you.
wanted to say hi.
Oh, yeah, hi.
I'll be out there. Get busy, all right?
Thank you. You too. Okay guys, this is where you do everything. This is where you rent a car, you get a SIM card for your phone unless you have Mexican service, and you can rent a shuttle if you're going to a different area other than Cancun. I am going to a different area, but not till tomorrow, so, and I'm not renting a car. No gracias, no gracias. But I do need, they want you to come to their area so bad they're banging things. I don't need that. I need phone service. Ay Dios mío. Okay, hold on. You guys, I just got to my hotel, and when I tell you, it's the best feeling in the world to come back to your hotel, get a shower, do your skincare, do your body care, lather and lotion, brush your teeth, wash your hair. My hair's freshly washed. There's no better feeling. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my gosh. I was dying in that plane because I was so sick of wearing my face mask, and the plane was packed and hot and there was a lot of kids. Oh, goodness gracious. I also want to talk to you guys about this oil I've been using. I'm doing a whole video on it soon, but I've been using this oil. I'm basically out of it though, as you can see, out of that oil. But I need to plan, so I'm gonna, ooh, this is my planner. You guys don't know, too busy for nonsense. How cute is that? I got it from Barnes & Noble. I got a plan. But yeah, you guys check out my High Spirit bags. I'll have everything down below. The only travel book bag I travel with is my High Spirit bags. In Mexico, you guys, and I cannot wait for travel vlogs coming tomorrow. We're gonna head to Tulum. Right now we're in Cancun because I arrived really late, so I didn't want to like go to Tulum tonight. It was too late. Go in the morning when there's daylight and stuff like that. So we're just here for tonight here in Cancun. Then we take a bus tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I just feel so good right now. It's just an amazing feeling. Cause you can't even see me. Do you see me now? I can't see what you guys can see, so. Okay, you guys, update. I just got to my apartment here in Mexico. Look how beautiful. We've got a kitchen. I'm gonna give you guys an official tour later, but we've got a kitchen, balcony, beautiful hammock out here. It's a wraparound porch. It's beautiful. Come this way. Got a bathroom, a half bath, 1 bedroom with 2 beds. This bedroom has its own bathroom, full bath in here, right there. And if you come down this way, there's a bed. Boom. How cool. Another bedroom. I already showed you guys that part, but cool. Ooh. And I just got some shrimp tacos and some piña coladas. Me and Elizabeth are dying because neither of us want to eat this. Neither of us want to eat it.
We're about to truth or dare.
Seriously, it's a quail egg, a raw quail egg, and salmon and fish eggs. I dare you to eat it. Come on, live a little.
And now I'm good. Live a little. Sure, not today. I'm trying to catch corona and food poisoning. I'm good. I don't think so.
Who came up with that? Like, I'm gonna take fish eggs and then put a raw quail egg on top.
You want double egg on that?
Yeah, no. Maybe that's where the idea came from. They couldn't do a regular egg because it was too big. So they did
What's
quail
inside?
egg.
I can't imagine. Just rice?
Yeah, rice and the fish eggs and the raw egg. So bottoms up.
Oops. You really expect me to eat a raw quail egg? Damn, come on. You know what? I want my money back. If you didn't tell me. That was iron. That was next too. That was up next.
I wish I wouldn't have told you what it was.
I was like, that looks interesting. That's up next. That was definitely up next. I'm like pale, colorful. I'm gonna go with that one.
Oh my god, I wish I didn't
You
tell
said,
you.
and you said it like nonchalant, like, oh, that's quiet. I said, what? You said what?
Listen,